All right, everybody. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do this again about the shadow, the cloud computing because I said I was from Alabama because New York. Then they said they're not doing it until January, so I kept picking the states because the main servers are like in different states, so it really doesn't matter what state you're in. You're not gonna get a New York server, you know what I mean? Like, and it works great anyway. So I said I was from Alabama, and I've been using it for a week, and it's absolutely amazing. It's worth every penny. I'm gonna bring this over, and show you guys to the best that I can. As you can see right here, there's the shadow beta, and there's the shadow. And you can use it on your phone too. I have it on my phone, so I could basically turn my phone into a high-tech computer, so, but I'm going to show you. All you do is you double click it, you double click shadow, and it's starting launcher, and it does that for like a few seconds, and it's connecting to shadow, and it also shows you like, stuff if you want to see what they're doing. They're all see-through, like that's kind of like what they do and what the buildings look like and stuff. And start now, starting shadow. It's pretty quick. And the specs, you can I'll talk more when after it starting now. Shadow desktop is ready, and I'm on 5G. You can see it. I think you can. I got 5G internet, and this is your desktop. You can make it big. And that's your entire desktop. You got a shadow computer, so that's what it looks like. And you really get an upgrade. I paid, I gave you guys a link on one of my old videos. If you guys want the link again, ask me. I don't get nothing. I think I get $1 off or something like that. I don't know. I don't care. But it saves you guys. They were saying 10 pounds, which is I think like $10, but I think it's only $5, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna bullshit you. Like, say $5. I get the $15 a month one, and it gives you such, like, your computer is ridiculous. Like, obviously, like I play the Oculus, and I have the Asus, the 1650 graphics card in my computer, my Asus desktop. It's good, but it could be better. And by paying that little $15, I only had to pay $9, I think, the first month, because I used someone else's promo code. And paying that every month, that's like having a $2,000 computer. So like, if you do the months and do the math, you'll get a ridiculous computer, and you're not gonna have to pay that. And you can cancel it any time. They do a year subscription, for a little cheaper, but you're stuck for a year. You could do it for like maybe $4 more, and you do it by month. So you can always cancel it whenever you want. But that's what it looks like. You can see it, and that is your shadow computer. You can see my regular desktop stuff underneath it, but you can see the other stuff. Type your search here, right above the other type search here. And then it's your shadow. And when I'm on the Oculus and on the other stuff, when I'm trying to connect, they'll say it's connecting to shadow. Like when I'm doing the virtual desktop, meaning I'm using this, but I'm on my computer. So like I can run my, stuff on my, my computer on my Oculus, which means I can play the Steam VR and stuff. That's how I play Half-Life Alyx and stuff like that. And lately I had the other game, I forgot what I had, whatever. I had another game. I have another game that I play. That's also on Steam VR. That's very fun. But the games are fast. They're fast, and what they say is you're connecting to a shadow. It names your shadow computer, whatever numbers and letters, and it tells you a little warning that you're not connected to the same the same server as your headset is, because my headset is connected locally and my shadow is like somewhere else. And it's like, duh, that's like the whole reason why I'm doing this. So I'm just telling you, this is a quick video. I'm telling you, I've had it for a week, and this is what it looks like. This is what the computer, what your desktop will look like. and it's more than worth it. And I got the lowest amount, so I think I get like the equivalent of a 1080, the GTX 1080 or something like that. You know, GPU, you know, the graphics and stuff like that, and it downloads like it has like 1 terabyte downloading, and there's like a certain amount of storage space, but there's a lot of storage space, but plus my storage space, so I wouldn't even always use the storage space that I'm paying for. I got a 2 terabyte outside plug-in extra external storage to go with the storage that came with my computer, you know, so I'll always have enough, you know. So I'm telling you, if you got virtual device, get it. If you play your computer games and you're just not getting the refresh rate, it's not really where you want it, and instead of going out and buying a new graphics card or a whole new computer, you can have like a cheesy computer, and you know, you pay this, and all of a sudden you got like a $2,000 computer easily at the lowest amount. I mean, they have like 3 steps. You get the highest amount, and you got I don't even want to like brag about how good of the specs that they give you. All you got to do is look it up, and it'll show you the specs of what each one is, and you'll see like it's anybody knows even a little bit. Because I don't know a lot, I know enough, but anybody knows even a little bit will see. Holy shit, the amount that the speed that it downloads is ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. The size of the files I could download and how quick is ridiculous. And I get the cheaper one, and I can play all my games. All my games play better, you know, and everything is good. I don't have to upgrade it. And even though I'm on my phone now doing the recording, I got the Shadow on my phone, so I could turn. And I got Shadow Beta because I didn't know if it was gonna work and stuff. It was gonna give me a hard time because I'm in the New York area, you know. But Shadow works, but it turns my phone into the specs of the Shadow computer. Like I have a high-tech computer that's only this big. Anything that has a, you know, a Wi-Fi, like they can get Wi-Fi, like an iPad or any of those kind of devices or any kind of phone, you pay for Shadow, and your Shadow can go on your phone too. So it's an amazing thing to get. Anybody has any questions about anything with your Shadow, just ask me, because out of the people that have used it, you guys know me, whether it's just Facebook that knows me or if it's from YouTube that you know me. I actually have it, and I've had it for a week and used it. So I can help you, and I can tell you, and I can show you. If you're from different states that aren't ready and aren't going to be ready for a while, you're able to get it right now. You know, right now. You don't even have to wait. I had to wait a day and a half to 2 days, you know, for Alabama, but you know, Alabama's already open, ready and running. You know what I mean? So I wanted to make that video. I'm doing my best too. I'm gonna try to think of because a couple people said, "Yo, bring your old videos back, bring your old tales back, your prostitute tales, you know, all your shit like that." I'm gonna try to think of shit like that. You know, you guys know, you know, from the shit. You know, my memory gets a little fucked up here and there, so I don't remember all the bad shit I did. If you do, and you're my friend from the past, you remember some bad shit I did, tell me, like off of here, like text me or message me or whatever, and then I can remember it, and I'll make the movie on it, you know, the video on it. You know, someone reminded me of something we did to the deli when it closed down, and that I might make that as a Bozo Chronicle. You know, well, I'm not a Bozo, but make that as a Bozo Chronicle video. But you know, I'm gonna remember some of the stuff with the females, and you know, make another video. I'm gonna try to bring back some of the old stuff. Lately, I've been doing some of the games and stuff like that. But I hope this helped you out. I'm letting you know it's worth it. It's worth every penny. And if you need the promo code I had, it's in my other Shadow videos. I wrote it down. I even said it, but I spelled it, and I wrote it in the description of video. But I don't mind getting it again and giving it to you. You know, I'll give you the promo code, and you'll save. I really think you save $5. You know, even though it's saying 10 pounds, which is, we don't use pounds. It's London people. I think it's $5. You know what I mean? I think it's only $5. So, you know, if you need that and you're interested and you want to do it for one month, and you want to try it out, see how it works on your phone and your computer, you know, do that. You can always cancel it. You know, there is no contract unless you make a contract to save like a couple bucks. But yeah, that's it. You know, I figured I'd make a video, and I'm learning how to use the OBS. I've had Streamlabs OBS for a long time. I'm having a problem connecting my Oculus game sound and me talking, like, because you'll hear people talking to me, but you won't hear me talking. Meanwhile, I am talking the whole time. I'm talking shit. I'm talking wild shit. But I'm learning how to use the OBS on how to merge the two so it records both at one time. Other than that, I've been doing the lame ass shit where I record the video and then when I edit it, I do the voiceover. You know what I mean? Which is it's really not on the money because I'm not doing it that second. I'm trying to remember the shit I said. So I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you learned something. I hope you guys give that shadow a shot because I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love it. All right. I hope you guys have a good day.